Hey ma'am, my name is Silveridas from BSc 210 and this is my recitation. Exclusionary rule. Court may not accept evidence obtained by unreasonable search and seizure regardless if it's connected to a case. Fruit of poisonous tree. Provide evidence as a result of an illegal operation must be excluded from the trial. So, exclusionary rule po is, halimbawa po, hindi po kayo nabigyan ng search warrant pero nag-search po pa rin po kayo dun sa bahay ng suspect. Kahit ano pong makita nyo dong evidence is hindi po siya tatanggapin ng korte kasi illegally obtained po ang mga evidence. So, what is fruit of poisonous tree? So, ang fruit of poisonous tree po is, halimbawa po, nag-conduct po kayo ng search and seizure po sa bahay po ng suspect. Halimbawa na lang po, nakuha nyo po yung journal niya. Yung journal po yun is nakuha nyo po as illegally obtained. Wala po kayong permission na mag-search po dun sa bahay ng suspect. Tapos yung journal po na yun na nabuksan po ninyo is andun po yung evidence. Halimbawa po drugs. Andun po sa journal na yun yung drugs. Yun po yung drugs po yung fruit of a poisonous tree. Hindi pa din po tatanggapin ng korte yung drugs po na yun na evidence kahit na positive po kasi legally obtained po yung ginawa ninyo doon po sa may evidence. Wala po kayong search warrant pero nag-search pa rin po kayo sa bahay po ng suspect. Tapos po yung nakita nyo po doon na na evidence is hindi po tatanggapin yun ng korte kasi illegally obtained po ito. Yun lang po ma'am. Thank you po.